Lasizwe Tambuza, would you and your team like to pay me for breaching the contract we had? Or are you guys going to keep ignoring me and lying at every turn and saying that you're going to give me a response and saying that you guys are going to get back to me and saying that you're going to have a meeting and saying that there's going to be an outcome? Because from what I understand, you guys breached a verbal contract, you breached a written contract, and I don't know what contract you gave to MultiChoice, because I would think that MultiChoice would not air my episode knowing full well that I did not sign that contract in full agreement. So then my question is, Lasizwe, to you and your team, what contract did you give MultiChoice? What contract did you and the production company give to MultiChoice to say I am happy with my face being aired on TV, after I specifically stated that I'm only giving you permission to use that episode for social media? Your own PA acknowledged this and apologized, I'm assuming after you told them to, and apologized and said they were going to rectify this. I was then told that the production company is going to be in touch with me to compensate me or to discuss compensation. Instead, the production company is now saying, no, they need to have a meeting with all stakeholders, which is you, MultiChoice, and them. So between the production company, Wena Lasizwe, and MultiChoice, who is keeping my money and not giving me my money? Who is withholding the apology that I rightfully deserve? Who between the three of the stakeholders involved in this thing decided that no, let's go against the contract we signed with Dominic and go against the verbal contract we have with Dominic and air the episode? Because you know what? That episode is going to give us numbers. I know you know my value, because my episode was the first episode you aired when you got the opportunity to be on TV. The crazy thing is, I've been trying to settle this privately with emails, phone calls, and you're just ignoring me. You'll have now reverted to just ignoring me. And all the other people who are telling me how much you didn't pay them, that I'm not here to fight other people's battles. But my face, my voice, and unfortunately my job is my face, my voice, and my body. That's how I support my family. So you are basically using me, and Lasizwe mfana wami, ngiyacela bandla, ngicela nizame ukungiphendula because angazi ngizitshelwani. Nisephutheni, iphutha yeleni, but mina ujahana nani? Iphutha yeleni, but mina ujahana nawe manje.
Madoda, aningilaleli kahle. Angilobolanga nje ukuthi ngiyalobola nje kuphela. Kahle kahle ngizoshiya isifundo kunini ukuthi kahle kahle umuntu wesimame uyalotsholwa, uyajabula melotsholwa. Hayi ukuthi bengilobola nje ukuthi bengijabulisa mina nomama kuphela, but bengifuna ukuthi nifunde isifundo, nibalobola abantu enithandana nabo, lobolana abantu enithandana nabo. Mjida lobola lo muntu othandana naye, mlobole. Yenza imizamo ngisho noma kuthiwa uhambisa inkomo noma ezu2 noma inkomo eyodwa. Noma ngathiwa yichwane leyo nkomo noma kuthiwa inkonyane iyagula inomlenze u3 hambise. Bayayithanda lento abantu besimama. As long as umlobolile makuphuma igama lithi lobold, uzoba right. Lobolana abantu besimama, baloboleni. Oh.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Dominic is back again with another video exposing Ulasizwe once again. So the reason why Dominic is exposing Ulasizwe, it's because uke wabala ulaphana podcast yakhe i-Awkward Date yeku-YouTube ne. So Ulasizwe une YouTube channel that it's called Awkward Date. So Dominic was once a guest kuleya podcast ne, la bekana Lungile khona. Lungile at Lasizwe's brother interviewa nguye. So yadlala leya episode yabuka kakhulu, and it was the most watched episode laphana ku podcast ya Lasizwe. I think in over 800 something 1,000 views if I'm not mistaken, and you can imagine how much money alayendile awuLasizwe ngaleya podcast. Okay, fine, bona bebavumelene nge-podcast ukuthi iyodlala kuphi ku YouTube. Guess what, i-DSTV ya decide ku approacha ma-podcasters kufaka phakathi bo MacG, i-podcast and chill, spreading humor, including nayo le Awkward Date yaLasizwe. So uLasizwe wadecide ukuthatha leya episode yakhe na Radha Lungile na Dominic wayiniketa i-DSTV ukuthi idlalise kuphi e-TV, making money out of that video. and akazange akhulume ngisho naDominic ukuthi amtshele ukuthi hayi phela i-DStv ngi-approachile ifuna kwenda nami into leso amnike ikhathi yakhe. So uLasizwe decided to be selfish, wathatha yonke imali watidlela yona, wathi masekade ibona i-TV Dominic bantu bamtshela ukuthi use-TV, wamangala ukuthi njani na. So akazama approach uLasizwe uyam-ignora, uyambalekela ulokuthi hayi ngidobona ukuthi ngenda njani, yo ayisikhohle ukusayinisa i-contract, yo ngikhohle ukukhuluma nawe. So Dominic is fuming uthi ufuna imali yakhe from uLasizwe because he knows ukuthi he made millions ngale episode laphana ku-DStv, and uthi that's so selfish of him ngokuthi angambhadali ngisho nesenti lemnyama akazange alithole. And he's saying that isivumelwano sabo kwakungasiko ukuthi leya episode yodlala i-TV. Now that idlala i-TV uthi uqela ikhathi yakhe, and people are saying ukuthi cha thina we're just here for a tea or sidefunela nje thina emgosi. And he's saying ukuthi the reason why enda ama-video is because boLasizwe and his team they are ignoring him, and nyalo uthena nje so udziniwe, like he's even suing uLasizwe. Moving right along, siya story sabani saSamkelo Shezi and uMbali. Samkelo Shezi ubhadala amalobolo, is it last week? If not last week, I'm not quite sure about that, but yeah, ubhadala amalobolo, ubhadalela bani uMbali zamadosh. So Samkelo and Mbali, they are the most bullied couple laphana aku-TikTok. People are always dragging uMbali ngebubi bakhe bathi umubi. Some are even saying ukuthi ngathi uyimfene, like always people are just saying all sort of nasty things about uMbali. So people are saying ukuthi umuhle sona Samkelo umngene ngani alo muntu lo njena umnyama. Guys, people are always dragging the girl lapha kuma-social media platforms. And guess what, uSamkelo uthi angeke ngive ngani cabanga wayekubhadala amalobolo for girl. Nithi ngalesikhathi bathi bantu abayakhuluma bayamdrega kuMbali, wathi nje mina ngeke ngize ngive ngani, ngeke nje angize ngiye ngani. So nika abantu i-advice uSamkelo ukuthi if you love someone, if you're in a relationship with someone and uyamthanda, hamba uyokhokha. Njengoba simuva khuluma la kule video uthi hamba uyokhokha, ungahlali onemntwana bantu mahala unikipiti, hamba nokhokha bafethu. And he's even saying ukuthi girls like it man, khokha ungadli mahala, hamba ukhokha ekhaya kubo, uhlale kahle nemundi. Advice yaSamkelo uyiniketa bani ama-gents ukuthi ma-gents hambani niyokhokhela mama emakibo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.